Okay, here's part B, even though I kept it saying part A. So we have a pentagon. We can make a pentagon with our zone tool set. What are the two bits we have to connect up?
So we have to connect up this bit and that bit.
So the first thing we have to check is, are they even connect-upable? Are there holes that point at each other?
Yeah, it looks like there's some blue holes.
So we made ahead of time these blue longs plus mediums.
So
And it turns out...
there. And I don't need the ball on this one.
Okay. And I'm going to hold it.
Yeah. Here. And there.
Alright. Now, it's easy to see we have a regular pentagon here.
Yeah.
Right? Because we already knew what a regular pentagon looked like. Those are obviously the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So why does this help us see that we have a rhombus in A, B, O, E?
Because we already knew that we know for a fact that these and these are the same because of our zone tool set sizes.
Because they use the same zone tool pieces. And how can we see that the other triangles, like how can we see that this triangle and that triangle are congruent to each other?
Well, you have two long blues and a medium blue.
Yeah. So it's interesting. So this, building this shape out of the zone tool set, actually shows us, this isn't a mathematical proof, but it certainly gives us a very clear idea that this is going to be a rhombus, and these triangles down here are all either congruent or similar to each other. And one other thing is it turns out this diagonal up here, which is EB in the diagram, also has the same length as one of those other diagonals, which is kind of neat. So we can even introduce a similar triangle. So now we have two triangles that are not congruent but are similar. What are they?
Actually, these triangles looks like they're congruent.
Those triangles are there congruent.
Those two.
Those two are similar. So DOC and BEO are similar. That's pretty neat. Yeah, this is a fun problem, and it's fun to see. It's fun to see the zone tool set not just as something that makes really cool projects, but actually can help us look at some geometry homework problems. All right, good job this morning, huh? Good job.